Good afternoon, everyone. Thomas, MGMClassicCars.com, once again coming to you from Addison, Illinois. Today I have the pleasure of going over this 1968 Chevrolet El Camino Super Sport 396 car. I want to go over the beautiful restoration. It's about a 5-year restoration, so we're going to go and walk around the entire car and point out a couple things to you guys. So lucky to have this in, happy to sell it, happy to own it, happy all around. As you can see, the 396 fender there with the emblem, it is the correct car that came with the 396. Beautiful indigo blue paint done about 5 years ago with a beautiful finish on the car. We wet sanded, buffed out the car, did a paint correction, and then put a beautiful clear coat finish over the car. Just a fine example of a 68 pickup truck. Yes, these are considered as pickup trucks, the El Caminos. Nice chrome trim all around the car. Rally wheels with the Eagle GT2 Radial TA tires, vent windows. Everything functions like new vinyl top on the car. Nice front chrome. Bezels look great. Excellent grille with the SS396 on it. And yes, that's what it is. Beautiful reflection. You can see the tree line in the paint. So I'm going to get a little bit closer now, show you guys a couple defects. There's a little chip there. We will touch it up, but I just wanted to show you guys there's no surprises. As you can see, the reflection. These rockers, I like that they put the trim. They preserved the vehicle by doing that. But excellent throughout. Continuing here on the driver's door, no blemishes. The rear driver's side quarter panel. That's where you put the gas in. Boom, right there. Unscrew it and put your pump gas. Look at that reflection. Nice bezels. Nice chrome. This is an original bumper, so it does have a little wear in it, but guys, from 5 feet away, it looks excellent. And it is original. The bed has been done really nice in the indigo blue paint as well. Pretty cool, isn't it, on both sides? Yeah, buddy. Look at the reflection here. Look at that. It's a mere finish on the El Camino. No blemishes whatsoever. Continuing on the passenger door and the passenger fender. Excellent. And again, the original front chrome bumper. Bezels are great. Grille is excellent to the car. And all the emblems are original to the car as well. Let's check out the interior really quick. Vent windows. Got your mirror. Nice vinyl top. All the trim in the back looks great. Door jambs are great. Nice door panels. Original emblem to the car. I do have the knob here. Okay, for here. We just got to get a pin to keep that in place. But nice door sill plates. Door jambs are excellent. Love these bucket seats. Weather stripping is good. Odometer gauges throughout with a new cluster. Tilt wheel right there. Okay. GT chrome steering wheel. Nice original center console. Nice tight headliner with sun visors. Not much in here, but you know, little storage compartment. And the speakers were added, but the stereo system was never finished. So here's the area where you can put your custom stereo, maybe a Bluetooth or something, right in there. Little compartment there for storage, and also right in there. Okay. Let's fire it up. Very simple. Boom. Shows 9 miles. 9 miles since this has been installed. The body has 65,000 miles, which I was told by the previous owner. Wipers are right there. Headlights are right there. Horn right there. Heat and defrost does work as well. Sounds good. That's what a big block should sound like. Nice 12-volt original rear end with the F41 sway bar in the back. Those came on Super Sports. Let's listen to the engine. So here's how you open up the hood. Right underneath here, you push up, hood pops open. Need 2 hands. Woo! Yeah, baby. 396 big block. Turbo 400 trans. 12-bolt rear end. Upgraded with headers. Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, new power steering, newer valve covers, and yes, power disc brakes in the front. Sounds good, right? Yeah, yes it does. No overheating problems, and she looks great. So we're gonna go for a little test drive. Let's go over my punch list now. So basically, what I do here at MGM Classic Cars, I travel the country. I look at 5 to 10 of these before I actually buy one. I'm looking for a quality classic car, okay, with minimal things to repair. This one does have a couple things which I'm about to go over with you. Let me grab my punch list. Here it is. The wiper switch is acting funny. I have to look into that. The brakes currently suck on this car, okay? I'm telling you, they suck. Car barely stops. I will get that fixed. Also, I always clean and tune my carburetors, and I always set the timing, and I always check fluid. So those are my items, the 5 punch list items that I will take care of before this car gets delivered to your doorstep, okay? So the brakes do suck. Let's go for a test drive. I'm not really gonna get on the car because of that, but I can guarantee you this 396 drives excellent, as you'll see, and the Turbo 400 shifts great throughout the 12-bolt rear end in the back. So let's go. As you can see, turn signals function. You saw the lights, okay? Right there is your switch for your headlights. You saw my horn, it does work, and then you got your tilt wheel right there, okay? Which is a pretty cool option. Heat defrost does work, like I mentioned. I'm gonna mount the camera, and we're gonna go for a little test drive. All right. No weird noises in the car. All the squeaks, all the bugs have been taken out of the car. I mean, every old car has squeaks, don't get me wrong, but it takes sometimes a few hours to get them out the car. I already did that. The car just came in from North Carolina. It really is a clean car underneath with this 5-year-old paint, or 5-new-year-old paint, should I say. El Caminos, you know, they're for certain buyers, obviously. It's nice because you can haul stuff around, use it as a shop truck, even use it, you know, for the house. Like if you're going to get some stuff. I mean, everyone needs a pickup truck, right? I mean, going to Home Depot, Menards, all these places where you're buying stuff, load it in the back. You know, you don't want to scratch the paint in the back because it's done really nice. You want to get maybe a rubber mat, place it back there, and then, you know, lay your stuff so you don't scratch it. You want to preserve the truck, this truck. I mean, it's considered a truck, to be honest with you. Like I mentioned earlier in my video. Fuel gauge, speedo, RPM tach, oil pressure, water temp. Everything works, except right now, the speedo doesn't work. So I'm going to have that looked at and taken care of. It is a new one. So we'll get that fixed as well. Really nice. It feels like a 373 gear in the back. Perfect for the expressway cruising. Very reliable. Temperament is nice on the car. Pickup is good. But I will set the timing and set the car a little bit better than what it is now. I love doing that. We'll get that going. I like how the inside is super clean, like a brand new car. All the crevices have been detailed really nice. Even the dash part on the right side in front of the passenger seat is painted the same color as the exterior of the El Camino. As you can hear, there's nothing rattling in the car. And that's because I took care of it. So I like going on the freeway just to show you guys how it drives overall. Not too many dealers are going to do this. But I take my time. I do 100 photos at least. I do nice long videos. I talk about the car. I do my own inspection. I do my own nitpicking. So I don't need you guys to do that. I don't need any negative comments. Okay, if you don't like my car, that's fine. Just move on. Okay, but I'm selling a quality classic vintage 68 El Camino to someone who I know will be very happy with the overall. So that ends our tour for the freeway. And we're going to head back to the warehouse now where I keep all my cars. All our cars are owned by us, the dealership. We don't really consign. We put our money where our mouth is. We invest our money in good quality stuff. We go through the cars and then present them to the general public. This one here is ready for retail as soon as I take care of those 5 items that I discussed with you a few moments ago. And those items will be taken care of before you get the car in your driveway. If you guys need delivery, just send me over an email, text, a phone call with your zip code. I would prefer a text or an email. But if you're ready to buy, guys, honestly, call me, okay? If you have any general questions, please read my description first. And if there's something that I haven't answered for you, call me, not a problem. My number is 847-848-1850. I'm a one-man operation. I travel the country to look for these cars, so I might not call you back immediately. That's why I say text is the best way. But I will return all my calls as well. So financing, if you guys need financing for the car, you got to have a credit score of at least a 650. Okay, anything under that is going to be really tough. Maybe try your own credit union or your own banking lending institutions. But for us here, I need at least a 650. So between a 650 and a 725, go to jjbest.com, fill out the application, and Chris Laganelli, one of the reps there, or Matt, will get back to you guys with your options. If your credit score is 725 and above, Obviously, better credit score. Go to lightstream.com. They can approve you in about 15 minutes over the internet. They put the money right in your account, and then we continue to do business. Before you fill out any application, make sure this car is still available, okay? If my website says sale pending, that means sale pending. If it doesn't have a sale pending, it is available. You can see all of that at mgmclassiccars.com. I got about 60 cars in my inventory. They're carefully handpicked, they're carefully inspected, and presented properly to you folks, okay? So, once again, this is my 1968 Chevrolet El Camino Super Sport 396. I did not decode the motor. I was not told it was a numbers matching, because I don't think it is, but it is a correct 396 big block turbo 400 12-bolt power steering, power brakes, clear North Carolina title, ready for the next owner. Call me, text me at 847-848-1850, and let's get this baby in your garage. I'm gonna do a quick walk around and a recap really quick, and then this car will go to the next happy owner who's looking for a 68 Chevrolet El Camino. You'll be very impressed with this car. Give me 1 second, let's go over the recap. Booyah! 68 Chevrolet El Camino, restored about 5 years ago. 396 original SS car, 4-barrel carb, upgraded headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, beautiful paint all around the car. You got bucket seats, center console, new gauges, beautiful heat defrost works, nice bed in the back that's been painted, turbo 400, 12-bolt posi with the F41 suspension. Car is priced to sell. Call me, text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Also, check out some other vehicles at mgmclassiccars.com. Booyah!